Find the range of values of k for which the equation has real roots. So in this case, for real roots, okay, our b squared minus 4ac has to be bigger or equals to 0. And for this equation, a will be 1, b will be 2k, and c is k squared minus 5k plus 7. Okay, so from here, for b squared minus 4ac to be bigger or equals to 0, we have 2k squared minus 4 times 1 times k squared minus 5k plus 7 to be bigger or equals to 0. And from here we have 4k squared minus 4k squared plus 20k minus 28 to be bigger or equals to 0. And so we have 20k to be bigger or equals to 28. Okay, and dividing both sides by 20, we have k to be bigger or equals to 28 divided by 20, which gives us 1 and 2 over 5.